you've done is put us on the brink of a natural disasters or worldwide destruction. You sit silent when there's all these people suffering. Hey, Mr. Bigwig, what's on your mind? Another plan so you can sit back and rewind our reality to an evil time when racism was on the politician's dime. This is a march on Washington. This is reality sinking in. This is a wall falling in Berlin. This is our time to make a difference. This is our 1963, our version of I Had a Dream. Look at us, 2019, equality so feels like a pipe dream. Gunshot, listen to it ring. No longer bleeds, but the pain still stings. Band-aids don't cover bullet holes, especially when they penetrate into your soul. Almighty God said, where are you now? If you gave a shit, you would be screaming out loud. From the churches and from the towers, how the fuck you let this clown come into power? Oh, this is a march on Washington. This is reality sinking in. This is a wall falling in Berlin. This is a time to make a difference. This is a 1963, our version of I Had a Dream. Look at us, 2019, equality so feels like a pipe dream.